One of my favorite all-time foods is tacos. I'm talking like that old school, turn your head sideways, crunchy corn taco. You know, soft tacos are good, but it's nothing like, there's something about that crunchy with all that goodness inside that just makes me happy. Oh, this episode is all about tacos. Okay, so tacos. One of the things that really sets this recipe off is the sauce. It's all about the sauce, baby. And my secret sauce, organic ketchup. You have some smoky chipotle pepper, organic. I use cumin. I use chili powder, and I use turmeric, okay? Now, when it comes to how much of this, how much of that, you know what? A lot of times I am all about just taste, okay? So I'm gonna just squirt a bunch of ketchup in there, right? And this is all part of the creation process, and I'm big on creation, okay? So it's experimentation. I advise you guys to do the same thing. I'm always gonna do that because what I like taste-wise might not be the same for you. So when it comes to this sauce, my taste buds might be different. So now I'm just gonna eyeball this because once again, I'm good at eyeballing. All right, good amount of that. Then I'm gonna take turmeric. Turmeric is fantastic. One of the best seasonings out there. Very potent anti-inflammatory for systemic inflammation. So this is what gives mustard the yellow color. Mustard, actually, believe it or not, is one of the healthy condiments. All right, now I'm gonna take some chili powder. Okay, and then I'm gonna take cumin. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and stir this up. It's really good. Because I've been doing this for a while, I know what the consistency should look like. And what the color should look like. All right, we're almost there. I'm gonna add a little bit more hot sauce. A little bit more. And we're gonna add a little bit more of each of these, okay? Let's see if I can hit a home run right out the gate the first time that I do a taste of this. All right, I'm gonna stir this up. And you can see a little bit of a darker color, so it's not just looking like ketchup anymore. All right, let me give it a little taste. Oh yeah. Okay, we're almost there. I'm gonna add more of this. So I like it a little bit spicier. And this isn't super hot, so, all right, there we go. All right, now I'm gonna put this off to the side. So I'm gonna use this actually to help prep the meat. And I'm also gonna use this at the end by just kind of putting a sprinkle a little bit of this on the tacos itself. Phenomenal. Just wait. All right. Next up, brown the ground beef. Okay, so now it's all about prepping the ground beef. So, like always, I'm always using at home anyway, because I can control that for sure. Grass-fed beef. And so I already pre-browned this, okay? But now it's time for the seasoning. So when it comes to seasoning, what I do is I'll take more cumin. Okay. And chili powder. This is the cumin. That's chili powder. Okay. And it's all about the flavor of the beef. And then we're gonna take some more turmeric. Okay. And then I'll take a little bit of Himalayan sea salt. Okay. Next up, go ahead and stir this up just a little bit. So tacos. Phenomenal food, tastes great, but this is another one of those foods that is very, very calorie dense. So even though I'm showing you how to prep a healthy version and actually nutritious, nutritional taco, this is something if you're, trying to lose weight, trying to burn fat off your body, you're definitely not going to want to eat these every day. But on a cheat meal or treating yourself every once in a while, fantastic. In fact, when I was at my leanest, and there's times if I'm trying to get camera ready for some photo shoot or something like that, and I have to, get lean and get the abs back, I usually have 2 cheat meals a week, Tuesdays and Saturdays. And one cheat meal is tacos, the other one is pizza, which I've already done an episode on that. But I love tacos. So now that this is going, I'm gonna take some of that sauce we created earlier, all right? And I'm just gonna take this, we're gonna put it over like that. Good enough. And then we're gonna mix this in. Let that flavor up. This up really good. Oh, can't wait. All right, this bad boy is ready to go. Okay, so now, on the other side, I'll be right back and we're gonna start prepping everything else. We are almost there for these delicious, phenomenal G tacos. All right, be right back. All right, so, another key component to my delicious G tacos. Guacamole. So, I'm gonna show you how I make my guacamole. All right, so what we're gonna do now, avocado, right? I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Okay. Because I love guacamole so much, I'm gonna go ahead and slice up another one. Avocados, I know a lot of people are afraid of avocados because of the fat content. But when you're rocking a low carbohydrate diet, which most people should be doing anyway, unless you're training very, very hard and then you want to wrap your carbs around your workouts, right? Avocados are a phenomenal source of amazing fats. Okay, get that in there. Good. All right, now, a lime. I actually use a whole lime. And the next thing I do, I have some organic salsa. I take just a little bit of this, not a lot. About that much. That's all I need. And then we just go to town mashing this up. Now a lot of times I'll use my food processor if I'm really in a rush. We'll do it this way today. I know that not everybody out there has a food processor. So mash, mix it up. Tell you, there's nothing like some fresh guacamole. All right, that is looking fantastic. Now, if you prep some guacamole and you're not gonna eat it right away, I don't know how true this is or not, but I heard it and it makes sense to me and I just run it. If you wanna preserve it, put the seeds back in there, okay? And then you can cover it. So there's a little tip how to preserve your guacamole just a little bit longer. Don't know if it's 100% true, but I was told that. I've been doing it and it seems to work. All right, now we are almost at the reveal, the taste test time. So, a couple more things to set up and I'll be right back. And bam! Tacos. Ho, 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 ho. I know what's in store next. All that deliciousness. Now, what I used today was Simple Truth Organic. Simple Truth, this brand is just on top of things. So organic, non-GMO corn shells. Garden Vegan, they have the whole line of taco shells and nacho chips as well. That's fantastic, organic, non-GMO. Instead of lettuce, I actually shredded up spinach. A lot more nutritious than regular lettuce. So spinach. And then of course raw cheese. If I'm eating dairy, if I have dairy at home, it's raw cheese only. So remember, the raw cheese is fantastic because it has all the enzymes to attach. Lipase, which breaks down fat, lactase, which breaks down lactose, which is milk sugar, and alkaline phosphate, which helps your body absorb calcium. So on top of all the vitamins and the good bacteria still attached to it, nutritious. Raw cheese from grass-fed cows. Okay, now, a little more of the hot sauce the taco sauce we made earlier, and we also have avocado, or guacamole rather. It is time to see if this actually tastes as delicious as it looks. But I know it does. You know how I have to get it past though, is my son, Tristan. Tristan, come on in. So enthusiastic. All right, man, grab a taco. Let me know what you think. Oh, you hear that crunch? Oh, I love that crunchy sound, all that goodness. Wow. Oh, is it good? We gotta tell the people, you gotta tell the people.
It's good.
Gotta love my son. And yeah, these are messy, but you know what? Like I said, that old school turn the head sideways crunching tacos are my absolute favorite. So, I can't wait to eat these. I'm probably gonna kill about 5 of these once the camera is off. Don't judge me. I like tacos. It's a cheat meal day for me. I'm going to indulge. All right, but wrapping this whole thing up, once again, another simple everyday food that if you go to a restaurant, man, it can be really, really bad for you. However, when you control it in your own environment and you bring out the ingredients and you put in organic, free range, all natural products, man, now you've taken a food that generally is really bad for you and made it extra super healthy and nutritious. But once again, don't eat these every day if you're trying to lose weight or burn fat. Right? This is a cheat meal or an every occasional type of meal, but man, guilt-free. And you see my son, he's just killing them right now. But you know what? So once again, if you like the video, go ahead and like. If you want to see more, subscribe, please. And I'll keep bringing up content, new recipes, new meal plans, everything. I'm trying to do it about once a week or so. And yeah, so tacos, that's the day. And like always, let's get healthy one meal